Hey guys, welcome to Zayden's Radical Life, and thank you for joining us today because we will be opening and unboxing the Lego Star Wars Aniken's Jedi Starfighter, and it comes with two minifigs, and it's set 7/5/14. Okay guys, let's get it open, but first, shout out to Robert. Thank you so much, Robert, for being my friend and especially saving my life. Let's get into the build. So guys, I've built it and let's check out the minifigures. It comes with Aniken and it comes with an extra one of those, so just put it right there. Aniken is a good figure and it comes with a lightsaber and he's got like some kind of microphone right there. And then my favorite minifig, R2-D2. I have a C-3PO that can go with this. It looks just so nice. I love it. He just keeps wanting to fall down. So here's the big mama itself. The beautiful Star Wars Jedi. No, not Jedi theme, but yeah, Jedi Starfighter. So let's start from the very front and first of all, it starts off with like this yellow line, and then there's like a hole in the center, so you can put R2-D2 in there. See? And then this is the wing. It's very good detailing it, and it has these little shooters. They're really nice. And it's got a symbol over here. And then we have another shooter. Pew, pew. And then in the back, we have this wing thing. And it has it on both sides. But you can lift this cockpit area up. So if you take off his lightsaber, you can fit Anakin Skywalker right in there and shut it, you know. Well, guys, like I said, thank you so much, Robert, for this set. I'm going to have so much fun with it. Goodbye.